This guy really wants to cross the street. Keeps whacking the button. I don't think it works that way. Today is vlog 401, and we're headed to the gym because it's Monday. We've had a stupendous weekend. Anything else going on today?
Probably some beach stuff.
Yeah, probably the typical beach stuff. Gonna spot some cool cars. Oh, gotta go. Green light. This is James, and today is his birthday. He's 22. 26.
Would you believe?
Would you believe? 61 and going strong.
Okay.
No. He is one hell of an architect, so that we know.
I'm 87. Look pretty good for 87,
Yeah.
don't it?
Yeah. He just finished doing about a 12-hour workout, so nice job.
Yep.
That was a good workout. How was yours?
Fantastic.
Had a really interesting experience, though, in the gym today. So a few people saw the episode with Dick Van Dyke yesterday, which was very fun. Always nice to hear good thoughts and good responses. But I may have a celebrity guest for Wheels and Waves on the 21st. This is coming very soon. Kathy is out doing some shopping, taking care of taking care of some of the things that we need to get. She may have a job that's right on the cusp. She doesn't know it yet. I just got a call from New York, so there's a chance that she might be doing some things. We have a tremendous amount of interesting stuff that's going on this week through next weekend. It all starts tomorrow, Wednesday. We're going to be going down to Huntington Beach to the Huntington Beach Cruise. We're going to the Automobile Driving Museum. We're going to grab a cool car, which, trust me, is really cool. Then we're going to be taking that down to Huntington Beach for the cruise night, and then we're going to be spending the night at an amazing resort hotel. We have an all-new sponsor for that particular episode. It's been sponsored by the Waterfront Beach Resort, a Hilton hotel that's down in Huntington Beach. A spectacular place. Check this out. There are so many cool things about this hotel. We cannot wait to walk around, to swim, to do all kinds of amazing things, because Huntington Beach is a center of custom car building culture. And this is the place we're going to stay. So I'm really looking forward to this. Big thanks to the guys at Waterfront. Spectacular place. If you ever get a chance to go to Huntington Beach, this is where you're going to want to stay. But then we're going to be swapping cars all week long. All kinds of stuff going on. We got a Hump LA coming up. We got Supercar Sunday. Just I've been kind of taking the last couple of days off rather lightly.
What?
Because a lot of stuff is coming. I just going to the gym, going to the beach.
That's not light.
That's kind of light. As far as work goes, it's light.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
But then again, what we do for work is kind of like not normal anyway. Especially her. She's just weird. But now we're gonna go up to the beach, but we're gonna try and spot some cars on the way.
I just saw one and you missed it.
Oh, thanks. What was it?
It was a van with a tree painted on the side. But it was pink van with a brown tree.
Awesome.
I know.
Awesome. I decided our house is not quite big enough anymore, so I decided that we should move into something a little bit larger. Yes, that's a house. It's not a corporate building. It's not a resort. It's an actual house. And I'll bet you that only 2 people will live in there. It's about maybe 500,000 square feet. We've officially termed this Bob's Beach because it's right across the street from Bob's place. So if you come to Malibu and you want to go to Bob's Beach, this is it. All right, that was really nice and relaxing at the beach. In the summertime, you got to go out here. You got to go to the beach as often as possible because as the weather changes, you no longer get a chance to go and do that. But if you live in a beach community, you know what it's like to be able to have access to the beach and sit on the sand and do that kind of stuff. It's just so relaxing. And we decided to take the last couple of days and just kind of chill because we have an epic amount of stuff coming over the next week to 2 weeks. What kind of stuff? Well, let me give you a quick rundown of what's coming.
We have an amazing time that's coming tomorrow down in Huntington Beach and to the Waterfront Beach Resort. We're going to be doing the Wednesday night cruise at Huntington Beach. Then after that, we're doing a big run with the Corvair Club in Palos Verdes. And I'm grabbing a very cool 66 Mustang and I'm going to Supercar Sunday. Then we're going to do Hump LA. We're going to drive all over LA in a really, really cool classic car thanks to the Automobile Driving Museum. Then we're going back to PV. We're going to go to the beach. We're going to grab my brother and a bunch of friends and we're going to go and have a good time there. Then I'm going to introduce you to Ruth McCartney, which is Paul McCartney's sister. Super cool. You're going to love her. Then we got Malibu Cars and Coffee.
But all of that pales in comparison to this. Wheels and Waves, number 4. Coming very soon. Not to mention we'll have Wheels and Waves t-shirts. Check this out. This is what the shirt looks like. so cool! So that's it for vlog 401. Sorry, not a lot of cars today. We got a few here and there, but we kind of took the day off, took a little bit of a break. We'll be back at it starting tomorrow. You're gonna have so much fun. It's gonna be awesome. We'll see you on Big Wednesday.